Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is a continue from yesterday. I colorized this image. Original is black and white 4x5 4x5 black and white film, and I colorized yesterday, and this is the base image for today. And also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges based on black and white image. Well, I want something interesting image, impressive image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Okay, now I want to check blend mode. Change normal to darken. Multiply. Darken is fine. And what else? Color burn. Well, I colorized yesterday by using the Procreate. I brought this image from Procreate to Fresco. The reason why, couple reasons. Well, I want to try I may try watercolor texture, so I gotta use Fresco to make something interesting. And also, I want to try to find this smoke shape. I couldn't find nice brush texture on the Procreate, so this time I want to try to find some nice smoke texture in this Fresco. I may find now, but beforehand, base image, I gotta think about it. This overlay is nice. Tone down, just touch. Still, yeah, overlay 50, or maybe usually I use this luminosity, this kind of effect, some sort of shadow colors. Let's see, just get the color from this luminosity effect layer. Like, let's see, select multiple, 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one image. Then I'm going to use this pencil drawing type image, duplicate layers, one of this, bring this one, go up to this image, then turn it off other layers. Then this pencil drawing type image, change luminosity to divide over this image. It's gonna take all the dark lines out. Well, let's see. If I tone down this divide opacity, color density is not much changed, is it? Only the black lines, pencil drawing type lines, because this luminosity effect layer color is pretty thin color, so I gotta double these colors. Before that, I will reduce this dark lines opacity, so I should use this divide effect, maybe about 60% or so. Well, let's try it. Maybe 70. We still see some shadow lines, pencil drawing type image, so I'm gonna merge down, then duplicate this layer. Now one at the top, just multiply, so color goes dark, and this pencil drawing type image goes dark as well, but probably not darker than if I double just without this divide effect. So, or maybe color burn, it's more, no, multiplies darker. Yeah. Okay, I may, well, anyway, now multiply and then merge down. Now we're gonna get the base image. let's see. I want an effect on this luminosity effect layer. Okay, move this pencil drawing type image, go up, then just turn it off. I'm not going to use this, but turn it on this original image. This, original for this fresco. This is base image. Then let's see, change luminosity effect layer to emphasize colors, huh? Pin light. Well, what kind of image shall I make from this? I just want to try smudge this base image. Then let me see, compare with this. So now turn it off, this luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer. This one is turn it off. Then I'm gonna smudge on this color, base color image. Okay, smudge with, scratchy pencil. Let's see. Convert, pixel layer. Change to rough pencil. No, scratchy pencil is fine. Let me see the texture. Pastel square. Graphite. I want some kind of more texture. Just to go back. Hard pastel. Yeah, okay. Hard pastel. Contact crayon. Let's see. Oops. That's, I think, too big. Yeah. Contact crayon is pretty much interesting. Go for outside. Contact crayon texture. Pick some colors, then contact crayon. I'm going to use same dry media, same contact crayon. Now smudge tool. Now outside is alright. Smudge texture. Now inside. over this smudged image. Let me turn it on, this luminosity effect layer. Turn it on. This is multiply. Kind of interesting. Linear burn. Very interesting. Kind of morning image, huh? Light image overlay. Yeah, I like multiply. Yeah, I can touch up later. Well, use this luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to multiply. That looks pretty nice to me. Then I'm gonna touch up some Smudge tool. Yeah. Okay. And also I'm gonna add some smoke. And I don't need this dark black lines, so I can, this is the one, right? Just smudge. Okay, now I'm going to add this smoke, and over this add layer, then look for some smoke textures, maybe painting, wet brush 2. Let's see, looks like kind of smoke, maybe. Well, try to look at it. How's this? Yeah, looks like touch. This line is touch stronger compared to this smoke. Okay, now what I want to tone down this yellow color. How can I tone down? Come from this multiply. So I'm gonna make mask. Create empty mask. Now basic to soft brown opacity. I think it's toned down. Yeah. Alright. Now smoke is alright and model is alright. Now what else? Oh, about here, a little bit toned down. Nice blue color here. I want to extend to this color to be around here too. Let me see. So I'm gonna add one more layer. Change to color. Then brush is just basic soft round opacity. Well, I guess pretty much done. Just smudge. This is a regular image. When I turn off this, shows straight image. I smudged base image, color image, this one. Then use this luminosity effect layer. Change blend mode, change to multiply on this luminosity effect layer. About here, change this much. It shows more sharpened image for edge of the model. And I add a smoke texture with, I use the painting to wet brush 2. That's the texture, nice for smoke. Then I add some, this color layer, just color this corner to get sort of, closer color to blue. Yeah, I think I like this. Well, that's it. That's it for today, and result is this model's image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day and being creative life, which is so nice. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.